What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer. But this means that only you can see your website because all of your website's data is stored locally on your personal computer. So if you want your website to be seen by anyone in the world, you're going to need to get a domain name and a hosting plan. So if you want to do that, I'll put a link in the description to my favorite hosting company. And after I show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer, I'll also show you how to migrate that site over to a new domain name into a live website. Okay, so let's get started with installing WordPress locally. So step number one is to download the WordPress software from Bitnami, which you can do so by clicking on the very first link in the description. Okay, so if you clicked on the first link in the description, it will take you to this website, which is Bitnami. And this is where you're actually going to download WordPress for your local PC. So we're just going to scroll down and you'll see you've got Windows, Apple, and Linux. But I have a Windows, so I'm just going to go ahead and download it for Windows. But if you have Apple, then go for that. So just click on the little button right here. And then down below, you're going to see, no thanks, just take me to the download because we don't want to sign into anything. Cool, so now the download has started and it should only take a few seconds. And like that, it's already done. And if it did not actually start, you can just click right here. Okay, so step number two is to install this software. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so to download the software, just click on where it was downloaded, which is right here. And then just select a language. So mine is English. And then just click on next. And then you're going to want to leave both of these checked. And then just click on next again. And then it's going to ask you where it wants to install WordPress to. So right now it's going to my C drive, which is my startup drive. So I'm going to change that to my data drive. So I'm just going to click on this little button here. And then I've got it going to a folder that I called WordPress local. So I'm just going to click select folder and then just click on next. So now just put in a username. So I'm just going to put in my name, then an email address, and then again, a login user. I'm just going to do my name and then a password. And then just click on next. And now just give your website a name. So I'm just going to erase the one that it gave me and I'm just going to call mine my local website. But you can call yours anything that you want. And now just click on next. And it will ask you if you want to configure your mail support to Gmail, which you can do just by clicking on this box. But I'm not going to get too far into that right now. And now just click on next. And then next one more time. And now it's going to launch Bitnami website again, so you can just close out of that. And it says that it's now ready to begin installing this to your computer. So we're just going to click on next. And now it's installing. And this should only take a few minutes. Cool, and once it's done, just make sure that you've got this box checked that says Launch Bitnami WordPress Stack, and then just click on Finish. And then it will open a new web browser, and then you can just get to your site by going up to the top here and typing in localhost/WordPress, and then clicking on Enter. And this is your website. But how do you log into WordPress? Well, all you have to do is simply go to the end of this little URL here and type in login and then just click enter. And then here you can log in with the credentials that you created earlier. And here we are inside WordPress. And now you can start building your website. Okay, so now if you want to move your local website over to a live website, just go ahead and click on this video right here. And in it, I'll show you how to move your WordPress website to a new domain using one simple plugin. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you inside this video right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1.